This is the underneath of the curly cedar bar. I've inlaid the cross members up into both pieces to join them together. It's inlaid a little over a ½ inch deep. One of these slabs is 1/8 inch thicker than the other. So actually it's less weight out on the cantilever. I went ahead and pencil marked around all of the roots where the roots are going to mount in to the top. Here's another corner marking right there, and that far end one out there. These will have 1.5 inch, 4.5 inches, and a 3/4 inch round tendon.